Hello, dear students. I welcome you all in today's revision class of English, where we are going to revise Monkey and the Crocodile, and we will revise extra question answers, then that of your NCRT, because already NCRT question answers we have done. First question is, why had the monkey welcomed the crocodile? The monkey was happy to have a friend. He welcomed the crocodile because he had plenty of sweet fruits to eat. Earlier, he had no friend to talk and to share the fruits with. Question number 2. How did the monkey and the crocodile become good friends? The monkey and the crocodile were lonely. Secondly, the monkey had lots of tasty fruits to give to the crocodile. Question number 3. What was the plan of crocodile's wife? The crocodile's wife was annoyed with him for spending a lot of time with the monkey. She was fed up with managing the young ones alone. So she planned to get rid of the monkey once for all. Whom did the crocodile choose to betray? The crocodile loved his wife. He was also very fond of his friend, the monkey. He finally decided to betray his friend and please his life partner. Question number 5. How was the monkey taken to crocodile's home? The monkey readily agreed to go with his friend, but he was not a swimmer. He rode on the crocodile's back and they set out. Question number 6. The monkey was scared and depressed. Why? The monkey realized the danger of his life. He could not jump into the river as he could not swim. The thought of his sure death made him sad and scared. What did the monkey do as he reached the tree? The clever monkey climbed the tree. He offered some fruit to his friend. He declared that they won't meet again. Question number 8. The monkey was nice and clever. How? The crocodile was a good friend of the monkey who gave him lots of fruits for him as well as for his wife. One day the crocodile returned home late. His wife was annoyed. She wanted him to break up with his friend. So she wished to eat the monkey's heart. The crocodile carried his friend on his back. In midstream, he disclosed his wife's plan. The monkey was clever enough to save his life. He said he had left his heart behind on the tree. As the two came back to the tree, the monkey climbed up. Question number 9. The monkey was happy living in the fruit tree, but his happiness was not complete. What did he miss? The monkey was happy in his fruit tree home. He had plenty to eat, but he had no company. He felt lonely. He needed a companion to talk to and also to share his fruits. What did the two friends generally talk about? The two friends talked about birds, animals, nearby villagers and villagers' difficulty. Question number 11. Why was the crocodile's wife annoyed with her husband one day? The crocodile's wife was annoyed of waiting for the crocodile to come home and in managing the little crocodiles that had just been hatched. Question number 12. Why was the crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? The crocodile's wife desired to eat heart of the monkey. She ordered him to bring the monkey. He could not betray his friend. Therefore, he was unwilling to invite his friend, the monkey, home. What did the crocodile tell the monkey midstream? The crocodile told the monkey that his wife wanted to eat his heart. How did the monkey save himself? The monkey was very clever. He told crocodile that he would gladly give away his heart to his friend's wife, but he forgot his heart on the tree. He asked the crocodile to swim back to bring the heart from there. The crocodile could not understand monkey's plan. He swam back up to the tree. The monkey jumped on a branch and saved himself. Question number 15. What does the last sentence of the story suggest? What would the crocodile tell his wife? The last sentence of the story suggests that the crocodile had learnt a lesson. He realized that he had lost a good friend because of his wife's stupid desire. So it seems that the crocodile would rebuke his wife for her greed. Dear children, most of these questions are very important, and they have covered the entire chapter. I hope it will be beneficial for you. Thank you.